Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. And in this episode we are going to discuss these lights here. Stay tuned. These are definitely handy. Definitely going to need them. Alright, so yeah, as I said here, this light here, I've been using them quite a bit now. It's got a magnetic base, rechargeable port in the back. Of course, has a dial here to crank it up, crank it down, as you can see. And as you can see, the website here, I got them off of Amazon. You get a 2-pack for $31, so definitely worth the money. Let me pop y'all through the pictures here. As you can see there, battery level indicator, LED, magnetic base. Comes with its own little power cord. Charges pretty quick. Seems like maybe about an hour. You can swivel around to exactly the spot you need it, which came in super handy on all this front end repair I've been doing and all that. It says it's waterproof. So yeah, this is basically it here. 750 lumens. You can see the reviews there, really good. 600 rating. So, and you get a 2-pack, so you can charge one. If one dies, and you have another one for the backup. That's what I did. But also, just like working in the wheel wells or whatever, I had like one going this direction and one going this direction, and they were shining down, and it's perfect, man, with the magnetic bases. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these. They're lightweight, as you can see. The length here, it's got a little ring. I've been hanging one at the front door, where my keys go, so in case I need to go outside or whatever, I can grab it, go and light up stuff. So yeah, this is just kind of like a little review on these little drop lights on Gear Talk here. I guess they're called ORHOMELIFE LED work lights. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these things. So far they've been working pretty good. So that'll do it for this episode of Gear Talk, and make sure and stay tuned for Friday's upload, and we'll also have an upload on Monday for repairing of the front truck, the list and shout outs of breakdowns and all that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.